Imagine your students reporting the weather, presenting from historical landmarks, or broadcasting the morning news, all from your classroom. The Hamilton Buell Green Screen Media Production Kit makes it simple to create professional green screen presentations in any classroom. When you open I Can Present software, you'll start in the slide editor. Here you can add slides, choose backgrounds, import images or PDFs, and build your presentation. Drag and drop symbols directly onto your slides. Weather icons, interactive temperature tools, and sports graphics make lessons engaging and visual. Each slide includes a built-in script panel. During recording, the text scrolls automatically, helping students present with confidence. Enter the recording studio to select your camera and microphone. Choose a resolution that works best for your classroom. Select chroma key. Use the pipette tool to choose the green background and adjust tolerance and smoothness for a clean result. Even lighting ensures the best results. Avoid shadows, hot spots, and green clothing. Press the record button, follow countdown, and advance slides with a click. When finished, your video automatically exports and is ready to share. With just a few simple steps, your classroom can produce engaging, professional presentations. This kit helps build confidence, encourage creativity, and support digital literacy. Transform your ordinary classroom into something extraordinary, where students can present from anywhere in the world while developing essential presentation skills that will serve them throughout their academic journey.